Unlock the full potential of your Lovable website by mastering its advanced access control features. Today, we're diving deep into how you can effectively manage who sees what on your Lovable platform, ensuring both security and tailored user experiences. First, let's talk about user permissions within your Lovable dashboard. Navigate to the Users section. Here you can view all registered users and the core permissions assigned to them. Think of these as fundamental building blocks. Can a user simply view content, or can they edit and publish it? For more granular control, we introduce role management. Roles allow you to group users. It's similar access needs. You might create a content creator role, an administrator role, or even a guest viewer role. To set this up, go to the Roles tab within the Users section. Here you'll see predefined roles and, importantly, the option to create new ones. When creating or editing a role, you'll assign specific permissions. For example, a content creator might have permission to write blog posts, but not to change website settings. This meticulous role assignment is crucial for secure content delivery. Ensures that only authorized individuals can access sensitive information or make critical changes. For instance, if you have a private section of your website for logged-in members only, you'll assign a specific role to those members that grants them access to that particular content area. Conversely, a general public user role would have restricted access. Data privacy is paramount. By segmenting access through custom roles and permissions, you significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized data exposure. Regularly review your user roles and permissions to ensure they align with your current operational needs and security protocols. Is proactive approach to access control within Lovable is your strongest defense.